Yo, what's up everyone? It's Dark and we're back with a big one. Apple's rumored to be joining the foldable game. We've been hearing whispers about an iPhone flip and even an iPad fold. We're talking next-level hinge technology, crazy durable displays, and that signature Apple ecosystem integration. Let's get into it. Would you buy a foldable iPhone? Drop a phone emoji in the comments. Alright, first things first, let's break down what we're actually expecting from Apple in the foldable department. The leaks are pointing towards two major devices, the iPhone Flip and the iPad Fold. The iPhone Flip is rumored to be Apple's answer to Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip, a sleek clamshell design. Then we've got the iPad Fold, almost like a futuristic digital notebook. Rumors suggest they're working on some insane display tech, including ultra-thin glass, or UTG. Apple's aiming to eliminate crease lines completely with this new glass, making for the most durable foldable screens ever. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Foldable phones aren't exactly new, right? Samsung, Huawei, Motorola, they've all been playing in this space for a while now. So, what makes Apple's entry any different? Well, for starters, their design language is unmatched. Apple's real strength lies in its ecosystem and software optimization. Imagine an iOS experience specifically designed for foldable devices. Apple's M1 and A series chips are already miles ahead of the competition in terms of performance and efficiency. Okay, enough with the tech talk. Let's talk about you, the user, and how Apple's foldable devices could actually change your daily life. Picture this. You're rocking the iPhone Flip. It's small and compact in your pocket, easy to carry around all day. But then, you need to take a FaceTime call. Bam, you flip it open and you've got a full screen experience. Now let's talk about the iPad Fold. This thing is a productivity beast. Imagine you're an artist or a designer. You can sketch and draw on a large, vibrant canvas, then fold it in half and mark up documents with that Apple Pencil precision. Now some of you might be wondering, if foldable phones are so great, why is Apple so late to the party? One of the biggest hurdles has been durability. Early foldable phones were plagued with issues like screen creases, flimsy hinges, and overall fragility. Battery life has also been a major concern. Foldable phones require more power to run those larger displays, and cramming a big enough battery into a slim and foldable design is no easy feat. Apple's known for its focus on battery life, so you can bet they're working on some next-level power management solutions. Alright, let's get down to brass tacks. The million-dollar question, when can you actually get your hands on one of these Apple foldables? Well, hold your horses because it might be a while. Analysts and industry insiders are predicting different launch dates, but the general consensus is that we're looking at 2025 or 2026 for the iPhone Flip. The iPad Fold is a bit more of a mystery, but some rumors suggest it could launch even earlier. Now, for the other million-dollar question, how much will these things cost? Well, this is Apple we're talking about, so don't expect them to be cheap. Rumors suggest the iPhone Flip could start at around $1,499 and the iPad Fold could be even pricier. So, there you have it, everything we know so far about Apple's foldable future. The iPhone Flip, the iPad Fold, the rumors, the leaks, the potential, it's all incredibly exciting, and I don't know about you, but I'm hyped. Apple has a way of taking existing technology and completely revolutionizing it. What do you guys think about Apple's foldable plans? Are you Team iPhone Flip or Team iPad Fold? Let me know in the comments down below. And hey, while you're there, drop a if you think you'd actually buy a foldable iPhone. As always, thanks for watching, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications so you don't miss out on any of the latest tech news, leaks, and reviews. See you in the next one.